Superstar Rockstar Level, Buffet, welcome back to the biggest YouTube channel. Buffet, if you haven't subscribed by now, please pause this video, subscribe, hit the notification button. The notification button, bell, comment and share, and let everyone know we're back on the biggest platform in the country. But this time, I'm not alone. It's a very special episode. Safed Zuzvakashele la, the biggest YouTube channel. And again, Nagafika Safed, for those who do not know, Safed ukona for their campaign, Lutsandvo Lolu Pepile, HIV prevention and national campaign. So Nazi is the biggest platform in the country, but decided, especially for the youth, would see Bashare a message and Bashare a light, what are they all about? And a campaign yabo Hambanjan, Exebendesan and Babo na AHF. So shout out to AHF, shout out to Safed also for considering the platform. Would see Ibe part of immediately that spread a message to the nation, you know. So I purpose Yeltandvo Pepile to reduce igciwane nokuthi to build resilience amongst resilience ngegciwane nje to the nation, especially the youth, who increase in knowledge about prevention, transmission, and management, and to increase the number of people who know their HIV status. Kunabo AGYW na ABYW. Lauta explain more isaqhubeka le video usikwendekala in. And ama target groups, general population, adolescent girl, young women from 10 to 29, adolescent boys, young women from young men, from 10 to 29, and young people with disabilities. So labo a target group lesingasho ukuthi mostly Safeds utabe akhuluma ngayo on this campaign. So labakhona nathi namuhla on the show kuna healthcare worker sister Thelma Fagutse uqhamuka Galobamba Facility Clinic, kuna Khulisa Umvana Budbheka Shabangu uqhamuka long program officer khona kwaKhulisa Umvana, and kuna a young person living with HIV, you know. So Mziki Shabangu nayo khona sisinziki Shabangu stabaniketa without join a platform naye soon. Kuna LGBTQI representative Long Melvin nayo taba khona on the show. Kuna Safed's Nongcebo Gama program officer nayo ukhona. So basically what I'm then lastly kuna AGYW what I'm explaining ukuthi kumele adolescent, girls, young women representative Siphilile Zwane utaba akhona naye on the biggest YouTube channel. Lokutaba ngiyibonyalo lentaba niketa lelithuba lokuthi bathatha over basichazele ukuthi kwendakala ini. We probably gonna break this this episode in parts because it's gonna be long. I know it's an educational episode. We brought these people to the nation so that they can get more information about HIV and especially young people. And we care about you guys on the biggest YouTube channel, so that's why we brought them here. So yeah.
Many think I'm not smart. Many think I'm not cool and even call me names because I don't want to fool around. Listen, sticking to one partner is very important to me because I always want to be safe. That's why I know my status. I never have sex without protection and always practice safe sex. I honestly believe that we can win against HIV, but we each have to do the right thing. So make the right choice. Make love safe for yourself and your loved one. Lutsandvo Pepile is brought to you by Safeds with support from AHF.
My name is Nongcebo Gama, Niswaga Safeds. I am a programs officer at Safeds. Sithithe nje sengisafeds aseside lana sishukumise live ngetindzaba te-HIV prevention. Kahle kahle ke our target today is the general population. Sisukumisa kanjani ke le campaign? Sibonile ukuthi Eswatini has the highest rate of HIV infections in the world. Imagine, with more than a quarter, which is 27% of its reproductive age population labane HIV. So sithithe ke yathi kuthini ngoba siyabona ukuthi sidawuphela sife asesikhulumise nathi indzaba nathi ke-HIV. Also, the most ngathini loku buhlungu kakhulu ukuthi our females are particularly at risk, whereby 35% of our adolescent girls and young women between the ages of 15 to 49 are HIV positive, compared to 19% of our adolescent boys and young men. So lokunye lesithide cha asesikhulumise kule campaign tindzaba teenage pregnancy. Sibonile ukuthi before COVID, the country had made great strides in fighting teenage pregnancy and HIV prevention, with a 44% reduction in HIV rates. But sibonile ke ukuthi post-COVID, after lockdown, bantu labasha were busy. Loko ke kwase sekunyusa lizinga le-HIV even. So sithi cha asite sengisafezi sitawukhulumisa letindzaba leto. After COVID, sibonile 2,000 adolescents and young people dropping out of school with relations to teenage pregnancy. And that is very, very shocking. It was shocking to us, which is why sibe sesathi cha asesikhulumise letindzaba leti. Sitawukhona ukuthi phela ngoba siyati futhi siyathemba ukuthi bantu labasha bangumliba loya embili, and education ke, without education siyati ukuthi we are nothing. So sithe asesibuye sitawenda sikhulume ngoba siyati ukuthi the country has relied so much on biomedical noma ke tindzaba tabo PrEP. Bayasho ukuthi PrEP angisho ukuthi sifuna kubambisa tindzaba tabo PrEP nabo bani kuze kuthi nabo condom use, sithi asesikhulume kuze kuthi sitawubona i-social behavior change nge-communication. So lesikwendako-ke lesikutargeteke kahle sitargete tindzaba tabo high HIV infection rates among adolescent girls and young women, njengoba ngishito ukuthi 35% of our adolescent girls and young women are more prone to getting HIV. So also sizamile ukuthi sizame through those campaigns sibooste ukuthi bantu labasha basati status sabo futhi bawathathe ema services la in relations to HIV prevention. So the program Yeluthandvo Leliphephile has two approaches lesikhulume ngawo namuhla, lesitawukhuluma ngawo namuhla. Sinetindzaba sitawube njengoba ngikhona lana sitawube booster kakhulu on social media, sikhuluma na the general population, send them TV appearances. We also have two billboards labahlala ngaseMbabane nje bayabona sibhizi sengisafethu. We have two campaign billboards lesikhuluma ngawo nawo solo azama ukuthi aqhushise bantu labasha ukuthi how can they live a safe life. Siphindze saba sasesibuya-ke ngala, apart from social media, sasesibuya-ke ngala la sitargeta khona bantu bethu laba na 10 to 29. Lapho khona sibese-ke sesenda ema-outreaches ethu-ke ahamba nema-mobile clinics. Sibe nawo nje ema-outreaches 5 nyalo lesibe nawo besitfola our young people laba na 10 to 29. Siyile eManzini South, sabuka satargeta people from Manzini South etingodzini letahlukene naletahlukene, saphindze saya nakalobamba. So lesikhulumisa tona tindzaba tabo HIV prevention. I-HIV prevention ke nasithi safe love asigcini ka-HIV prevention, siphindze sikhulumise netindzaba tabo gender based violence, because siyati ukuthi love cannot be safe nawungati preventi kuphela from HIV, but also gender based violence plays a huge role ekutheni luthando lube safe, singagangathani bantu labasha. Nasinabo phathina bethu nje asikhulumisane kuze kuthi sitawukhona ukuthi phela si-reach a mutual understanding without kushayana nekubulalana. Sibonile people were being killed gruesomely by their lovers. Naloko sithi sengisafethu asesikumise. Sithini-ke sithe nasesikulama outreaches ethu sasesesi ngishito ekuqaleni ukuthi besihamba nema-mobile clinics whereby young people were getting PrEP, batfola ama-condoms, besenda ama-condom distribution, also senda nekuthi nangabe you know your HIV status, uyatesta lapho, and then nangabe-ke sowutholakele ukuthi positive, then we link you to care. So we were making sure ukuthi labantu lesibatholile on site besihamba nabodokotela nabonesi laba-trained ukuthi bende lo msebenzi. So nasebakutholile ukuthi you're HIV positive bese-ke sebakulinka to care. Sithini-ke our key messages as i-parting shot yami nje, sithi thine live a PrEP living. Lapho sithini, living a prepared lifestyle keeps me safe. Siphindze sithini-ke, we are encouraging a delayed sexual debut. Mina-ke ngiyile emhlangeni. Nangiya emhlangeni bangithembisile bantu labasha ukuthi bona baya abstain at imfombimfo. So sithini-ke, sithi siyawu-encourage loyo mkhuba loyo. Sithi asidelay i-sexual debut as young people because loko kutawusenda ukuthi sivikeleke kule tifo leti khona. Asivikeleki ku-HIV kuphela, siyavikeleka nakuma-STIs. Siphindze sithini-ke sithi sekwehlulile-ke, so iqalile-ke i-activity. Sesithi-ke sebenzisani i-condom. Men, we encourage you, our adolescent boys and young men, we encourage you to circumcise. Circumcise iyayi-reducer i-HIV. Iyayi-reducer kuthola i-HIV. So through this campaign, expected results we want at least 79% of our adolescent girls and young women and adolescent boys and young men to have knowledge, just general knowledge on HIV transmission. So it's nasekubuta umuntu lomusha ukuthi itfola kanjani i-HIV, ukhone kwati, ukhone ukuthi uphendvule, uyabona nawe ukuze ukuthi nawe utawukhona ukuthi wathi ukuthi hayi lana angeke ngengcela ngoba lana ngidawutikhanza senginaleli gciwane lesingakufuni-ke sengisafethi. Also, our other expected result would be at least 50% of our young people, they should be able to explain 3 sexual rights and responsibilities. Siyati ukuthi ema-rights akahambi odwa, ahamba nema-responsibilities. So sithi bantu labasha should know their sexual rights, and as well as knowing their rights, they should know their responsibilities. Also, we want 90% of our adolescent boys and young men and our adolescent girls and young women, they should know their HIV status. Siphindze sithi 98% of those people that know their HIV status, nangabe sebatitfolile ukuthi ba HIV positive, phela abalinkwe to care, so that sitawukhona ukuthi baphile impilo lenze.
Now you can continue.
Yeah, I think I've covered everything, unless there are questions for me.
Mina ngibutele ngawo ngibutela abantu abasha. Abantu abasha kudele enye indlela ngaphandle kwe-condom nje. Good to prevent ukuthi ngingatholi HIV. As a male, besides using a condom and circumcising, yiphi enye indlela engiyisebenzisa lengaba safe ngayo? Or is those two?
Okay, ngikhulume nge-delaying sexual debut. I think nasingayibamba lapho nje sibantu labasha. Abstinence. Perfect.
Shothi lapho vele ngithi mina nemalalo.
Wena nemalalo no. Nangaba ukashadi, uyapha emalalweni.
Mina I have so many questions, that's the thing. So I don't know ukuthi fanele ngabute abantu, because like I said, in the studio we have a lot of people. So I have a lot of questions. Aseswaseve because benginembuto lothi umtshela nini umuntu angibekise ukuthi nginasisi lengithandana naye. Yabona. So maybe mina infected. When is the right time to tell my partner?
I think before, okay,
You can pass it to someone on the floor, by the way, if uba ngathi khona lo ngayo.
Okay, ngicela kuyiphendula ngidawube
Okay,
sengiyedlulisela.
okay.
Mina ngiva ngathi lokumcoka kakhulu in a relationship, when you're in a relationship, ukuthi ube transparent. Yabona. Now usaqala nje, uvela uyibeke indzaba yakho. Ngoba phela lapho phela sesenda naleti indzaba tabo tekuthi by the time partner wakho I find out, imagine so investe so much in you kan khanze ukuthi bekangafuni umuntu lofana nawe.
Kungetrust lento
Ngiyabona.
angibekise mina ngingibanele. Already ngiyakusoma ngeva singathanda. Fanele ukuthi hawu mina nje by the way.
Yebo, so that ngidawungena ngathi ukuthi ngiyafuna yini.
Wonke umuntu ready so vele uhamba uyakhuluma ukuthi ha by the way banele nimbono nje any. When is the right?
I think also my colleagues laba in the panel batayilobol.
Okay, siyabonga.
Banele mina ngibheki ngakashabangu ngibuya lapha kakhulisa umntwana la khona sibuka indlela ukuthi ngalapha kutemasiko singalivikela kanjani ligciwane lembulala HIV nekuthi ke silive sikhona lokuthi siphumelele kulinqoba ngalo 2013 njengoba sicubule kanjalo sineke ngalapha singikhulisa umntwana sisebenza ikakhulu kade emimangweni kepha ke nangale micimbi yesiswati la khona abantu labaningi bayeta ndzawonye bahlangane ngemisebenzi letsite yawo emakhosi utholakala ukuthi seliyatholakala lithuba lekufundisa sicale ke sabasodwa ke sabona sawuqha asibite nalabanye lesisebenzisana nabo inhlangano letingekho ngaphasi kwahulumende sibambisene ke nabo bakaNature sibambisene nabo nitiko letempilo sibambisene nelitiko letelabasha sinelihlelo ke lolu vikela umuntu omusha lesithi Safeguarding Young People Program lelisekelekako lelisebenza njalo ngale misebenzi le nje siyabambiswa nabaka UNFPA tiningi nje tininto enkosi tetfaka sandla lokhu kukhulu kakhulu sithi le milayeto yethu seyihamba ngale minyaka laba neminyaka leshumi kuya leshumi nakune sibanika umlayeto lotsite lolungangabo kuthi ke laba neminyaka leshumi lemine kuya kuleshumi lesikhombisa 14 to 17 nabo banemlayeto yabo bese ke labo 17 kuya ku19 labo ke sebaqinile sebakhulakhulile nabo banemlayeto wabo uma letingqinamba lababhekana nato atifani kulaba labancane kakhulu umlayeto nje uthi kubo phuta ungayivala ukuthi sowuthombile phuta kuqala kulala sibatshele ke ngalobuhle bephuta kuqala lokho ke kufana nokuthi mawuphutile kuqala ngeke umuthiswe nginqedze utawumuthiswa lijaha nawe lekhaya kini labalithanzile kanti nyalo mawusheshile ungatholakala sowumuthiswa nje nawe umuntu lotakubaleka aphike nalesisu phindze kube inkinga utholakale ukuthi esikolweni kona ke uhulumende sowendile ukuthi nalabakhulelwe sebayafunda qala bowulahlekelwa na imfundo yakho sithi ke noma ngabe sekavumile uhulumende litiko letempilo letemfundo ukuthi ababiyele abantwana abakhulelwe esikolweni sithi kuba lula kakhulu ukufundza mawude umsebenzi wokunaka umntwana sithi nje abaqale ngetifundvo kuqala tawusike tekutsandzana ke nekutalana tibuye mva sekabhadlile umuntu sekakhona ukukhetha siyajabula ke kusemasiko ethu langalungi sekakutamekile ukuthi vele angakhuthazwa nani nje nilapha niyati ukuthi sekude nje umntwana lomncane lothathwako ayonikwa indvodza letsite la ekhaya eSwatini lokho umthetho wesodovu uvele uyabavikela abantwana sekude nje umntwana lo ongayenziswa amncane futhi ke lo mthetho siyawuseka nathi ngoba kude umntwana lo ngephansi kweminyaka leshumi nesiphohlongo lovumako lonemandla ekuvuma kulala sithi labo bantwana labo bonke labana leminyaka leyo noma ngabe sebashe emashushu ngoba letinswayi basitshelile laba baka-health ukuthi letinswayi tiyabanga lokuthi vele bafune lokungathi ngawukhona umuntu labalala naye tibahlukubete sithi-ke ababambelele balalele imilayeto-ke minengi sinayo imilayeto lesiyentako ngemidlalo yaseshashalazini lesithi edutainment whereby siba nema-acts lapho khona kuba nemidlalo la khona abantu labasha babonakale ukuthi wawuthatha ama-decision la wrong kuphetha kanjani. Siphindze sibe nawo khona emhlangeni silanze nebantu labatimbongo labatawukhuluma bakhulume letindzaba ukuthi kwentekani. Phindze silanze nabosomahlala bafana nje nabo Gedlembane nabo bahlekise kufundwe abantu labaningi isikhathi sinye. Siba nabo-ke nebantwana labaceceshiwe sibabita ngokuthi ma-peer-educator laba ababamba igugu letincane bafundzise ngokuthi litfolakala kanjani ligciwane le-HIV lingavikela kanjani ngoba njengoba lolu hlelo lolu besibambisene nalo nje loluthando luphephile ukuthi bantwana bade lokuthi itfolakala kanjani ungadivikela kanjani. Lo nyaka-ke kulo mhlanga lesuka kuwo besinabo baka-ECPAF labaka-Elizabeth Glaser Tinintethu. Lo nyaka bedinake lamajaha nje lawa la chube imbali ukuthi ase afundziswe ngendzaba ukuthi atheste ngoba akunayi libutfo lelilahlekile nakusho laba betibalo ukuthi leli butfo lelina 24 minyaka le-24 kuya ku-34 ngilo leliyinkinga kulaba labatfu. Ngilo litfola kakhulu igciwane, ngilo lihambisa igciwane, ngilo lingadli kahle futhi amaphilisi. Manje-ke lokubanga lokho ngilothi lo muntu utawadla njani amaphilisi ekuthi aphile ngcono angadi nalokuthi uneligciwane. Sithiteke cha siyakuvuma lokho labanengi bathatheleke lokho okutihlola wena sithi abatihlole-ke basekhaya baye kumtholampilo lodude ngoba ngilapho batase bayasitakala khona sebafakwa-ke ehlelweni lokunakekela sebaba linked to care because sibonile ukuthi bayashoda. Kule mbali-ke khona sibe nabo naba lesebakhulile le khanza ukuthi vele sengilabo makele bancane ngalo singisi sithi young women laba lasebale kubo 25 kuya le kubo 29 solo bakhona labo-ke sesiyababona vele ukuthi awu vele sebayaphambanisa lokusho ukuthi vele sebayalala sibajetha balale ngekuphepha-ke lokho balalele ukuthi bathi bayisebenzise kanjani le condom phindze badle nale PrEP ngoba ikhona le PrEP lekhona bathi yasita nayo khona laba yasinika yona bathi-ke vele iyasebenta kakhulu. Bakhuthatile-ke amajaha-ke ngenqola sesiwakhuthatile ukuthi vele lamancane abstain angalali ateluse tingafohli bese kuthi lalamadzala emajaha sithi-ke akagaqe ijazi endukwini phindze-ke abe ngamajaha lasokako ngoba sivile njengoba shito singcibo lokusoka kuyawanciphisa lamathuba ekuthola legciwane. Sawatshela-ke ukuthi ngoba lamanye amajaha ake atsenela ukusoka angasafuni lokusebenzisa igciwane lijazi lemkhwenyana. Nabo Gcunsula nabo sitfolile ukuthi baphakeme bathe bhememe ngalaba labangafuni ukusebenzisa lokwekuvikela lokujazi lemkhwenyana. Sithi-ke siyacela ukuthi akuchubeke kusetshenziswe lokho njengoba uhulumende asithengela sikuthathe laba labanemali-ke batithengele lawo-ke ngoba bathi lawa kuthengwa wona anjani njani. Kepha-ke thina siba kakhulisa umntwana nelitiko letempilo laba labadzala baye ngeke bathenge into lengaphili laba basithengele akuyasebenza. Siyakhuta-ke kulabafana labawathathako amakhondomu bangawasebenzisi bandele kuyobopha amasokisi. Sithi-ke akume-ke lokubopha amasokisi nalabo gogo laba sebathi bona bawushikisha emadolo. Hhayi siyakhuta ukuthi akumene akusetshenziswe la kufanele khona. Akusiko nalabanye ngibabonile nje sebathi hawu wayifaka iselfoni yakho la kule condom ngeke isangenwa ngemali. Akusiko kwekuvikela emanti ukuthi angangeni emaselfonini. Siyacela lokuthi letinye ndzawo labanye abantu abawatholi bayafuna ukwasebenzisa labanye badlala ngawo. Sithi-ke asikhuthe ukuthi kuyekeleni naningakusebenzisi, kuyekelele abatakusebenzisa ningakumosi. Siyanxusa lapho. Sithi-ke kulamajala amancane lawa lalekelela kulokuthi bantwana bethu bakhulelwe. Sithi nakhona siyakhutha ukuthi bayekeleni bacede esikolwa, bayekeleni balungele ukuthi sebangaba abafati, basakhula nyalo bancane, bayekeleni. Futhi-ke bafana labancane nabo siyakhutha lokuthi baqale babancane, ukuthi bona sebaqala tindzaba tekuthi bangalala babancane. Basitshela abadzala nabasitshela kutawukhathala, uyathi nasafika makoti bese wenta njani ngoba tabe tindvuku tingasasebenti setiziniwe. Sithi abatibeke tindvuku, batibeke lesikhathi lesingiso. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngikuhlanganise konke nje ukuthi silwa kanjani nalokhu kukhulelwa lesikutonzana kangaka kwebantfwana labancane nale HIV-ke. Sishito ukuthi vele basivulele ukuthi sifundzise sibakakhulisa umntfwana. Siyathanda-ke lokubanjiswa vele baka-Nature. Siyababonga ukuthi basibambisile ukuthi sibuke nje ngala emasikweni, siqhubeke naleti tifundziso tethu. Ngalokhu-ke bantu basuke babaningi kakhulu. Sivulile tandla netinhlangano letiningi kakhulu tiyasibambisa ukuthi bantfwana bathole lwati nge-HIV. Silekelela nalomtali, nebatali-ke siyakhuthata ukuthi nabo abayinake indzaba yebantfwana, babakhulumise netindzaba tekukhula ngoba lokunye sitfole ukuthi kunala lokuyengana nje kubantfwana. Hawu, wena lokusonemajiji kangaka, uma ungalala batawuthi swe bubuhlungu ukuthi pa, naletinhlungu titawuphela ukuthi dlwe. Hayi, cha, akunjalo. Hambani niyotfola lusito emtholampilo, bayakubuka sikhumba suke sinenkinga, nangabe amajiji akho sagadzele kakhulu bayalapha. Lapha nje kaSobhuza Clinic sengicelela abantu hambani kaSobhuza nitawushelela, bayalaphana nje nemanani laphansi. Naletinye tindzawo batani lapha ningabe senithi nitaqedza ngokulala. Nalabo bafana nabo kanjalo sithi nje abaye emaklinikhi bayotfola lusito kubetempilo ukuthi le nkinga isesikhumbeni, batawukhona kusitakala. Singathi nje tsine kubatali kakhulu nabatali labancane lebasheshe baba batali kwabona. Utfola ukuthi ubantfwana bafuni ukulalela, sike sakhulumisa ukuthi angakutshela nje make naye wangitfola afundza grade 6. Sithi-ke hloniphani batali noma ngabe wayabona ukuthi umdali wakho wenda kabi. Nasakutshela phela yena ukutshelela ukuthi ungagqumukeli la agqumukele khona. Sithi bantfwana babalaleli batali, babahloniphe. Nabo-ke batali sithi abaluthole lwati ngetindzaba tekukhula. Babute ukuthi nitamtshelani njengoba umntfwana naku sacala niphuma mlotsa. Bamtshele ngendzaba ukuthi utawuthomba kube njani kube njani. Anganutfuka ngelilanga lekuthomba. Nembafana sithi abatshelwe nabo ukuthi kutawendekani batawuthomba. Batshelwe nokuthi nasewuthombile kunetingoti letinganani, tekuthi nawungathi uyadlala nje udlale nemuntu lomunye khanze ukuthi sekulapho sekumile umntfwana. So batshelwe abantwana bathi ukuthi lapha usadlalele ke lapha sibaya sendvodza. Siyabonga kakhulu nje sine sibakakhulisa umntfwana. Sitinini letindzala nasaFaith sibambisene enhlelweni letiningi, nakulo lithando loluphelile basibitile sababambisa awubafundzile abantfwana kule ndzawo lesitishoko. Lokuhluphako lesikutfolile ngebantfwana ukuthi bayakhohlwa. Abasafani nathi sine besifundza into nje singayikhohlwa. Labanyalo noma ngiletincingo angisati. Nawuthi nje uyambuta athi kejabe kuthiwani ngemgqibelo, ukuthola ukuthi hawu sowukhohliwe. Siyacela ukuthi vele nitinake letifundo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi kube khona la bakhona nabalingani bami labachamuka etindzaweni letiningi. Siyanihlanganyela vele namuhla sifuna nithole ngato tonke tindlela. Siyabonga.
Okay, Sisinzile.
Hayi,
Now,
Nzi.
khululeka Nziki, you're on the Safest podcast.
Okay.
So ungasichazela ukuthi sisinziki ungubani ubekwa yini sinasafethi namuhla.
Oh, okay. Sanibonani balaleli nani babukele emakhaya noma kuphi na kuphi la nikhona khona. Siyanemukela ekhasini lethu. NginguNziki mina ngwakaShabangu. I'm representing young people living with HIV. Ngisebenza-ke na different organizations in the country laba focus on social welfare or on welfare of young people living with HIV. Ngiphinde-ke ngibe yi-advocate, youth advocate, whereby kuba nema-platforms where I advocate for and address for issues faced by young people. Sho ukuthi ngilihlombe kahle kahle, lihlombe lekhalela for young people abangakhona uku-speak out about their HIV status, even the issues that are facing. Ngiphinde-ke futhi ngibe ngu-PSS officer, PSS and psychosocial support and counseling officer, since focus on issues of young people living with HIV. So namuhla lokungibekelana-ke ngishilo ukuthi ngisebenza nezinhlangano letihlukahlukene. Lokufaka ekhathi-ke nasaFAIDS sitokuthata-ke balingani, yes, balingani ma-peers ethu on living with HIV. Sho ukuthi positive living kahle kahle ukuthi wena as a young person kufuna ukuthi mhlambe utiphathe kanjani. Lokunye-ke letabe kukhona kucukethwe kule conversation letaba nayo ukuthi ngi-address lamanye ama-issues that are faced by young people living with HIV, especially in the country of Eswatini, because since we know that most of our peers who are young people are still facing stigma and discrimination towards the issues of HIV. Because they have difficulties of accepting their HIV status as young people due to the stigma and discrimination that is still revolving around communities or in the country. Angeke sithi kona tikhona taba letendiwako Ministry of Health and ma-partner organizations lokufaka ekhathi bo-SAFAIDS taba letendiwako to eliminate stigma and discrimination. So ngeke sisho ukuthi sesiphelile, still sikhona, because ukhanza ukuthi kuletinye tindzawo, especially kuma-rural areas, lama young people akhona or the peers, they are aware ukuthi HIV is there, but then ukhanza ukuthi kunalama misconceptions about things about HIV, but the stigma ngisona vele lesahamba impilo. But then kwanyalo singasho ukuthi compared to a previous situation, nyalo current situation, stigma sezamile ukuthi si-eliminate-ke kulamanye areas, even though there are still some gaps that needs to improve, whereby we need to push the advocacy as young people.
Sike sisinziki. Lana angithi uthite umelele young person living with HIV.
Yes.
Lokusho ukuthi if I may ask you are HIV positive.
Yeah.
Lokusho ukuthi bongeke kuthathwe any other person. Vele you
Yes.
have to. So I'm
Yeah.
asking the right person.
Yes.
So-
Yeah.
So there was a question. Sorry, ngiyabona ngamapoints akubhale lapho lamani. Mina ngifuna vele singene endzabeni.
Okay.
Angisho ukuthi indzaba nale. Indzaba nale.
Mm.
So ngibutela nyalo ukuthi le question leke ngayibuta earlier
Mhm.
le ukuthi ubese uthatha isikhathi esinganani ke manje sekuthi naku ngingibane ngi-HIV positive ngihlangana nansi
Yes.
uyabona
Mhm.
ukhona yena ukuthi partner wami ngamgeja ngemehlo ngithi hayi lo ngathi unayo, because we get it as guys ukuthi bathi ke hayi nombuka lo hayi ngashaya school ndona ngenda njani. Kukhona yini impawu temuntu umbuka ngemehlo nje ukuthi hayi lo hayi ngathi HIV positive. Ngicala ngalombuto le, then wesithu uthi ngimtshela nini ke ngabe ngiyamcela ukuthi siphuma alternate date and everything.
Okay, from what I know, angeke ukhone kumbona lo muntu uzam approach ukuthi ya wena Ntsiki vele you are living with HIV, until mina ngikutshele lokho ukuthi hey lo Ntsiki lona lombona ngazuthi icherry lova ngazuthi ningentatimvo naye is living with HIV. And then ke bese ke kulesikhathi ukuthi ngimtshela nini, it depends in 2 ways. Ngiyakutshela ngingibanele usangisoma usang-approach in the first place. But lokho-ke kukuwe because i-decision yami ngingizikile ngithatha ukuthi hayi vele banele utazi nakangi-approach-a nami ngive ngazi ukuthi ngiyamfila, siyafilana, uya-understand. Ukhanda ukuthi mhlambe vele seyiyakhecha, ikhecha vele usangisoma ngisengakavumi. So kuleso sikhathi-ke lapho khona ngitakusho ukuthi yeyi phela mina I'm living with HIV. Lapho-ke ngisuke mina i-decision sengiyithethe ukuthi vele whatsoever rejection lo tawuyisho kimi, it's okay, I'm fine with it. You have to face the consequences. And sekukuwe ungibanele ukuthi nzikisoshido ukuthi yeyi mina ngiphila ne-HIV, ngiyachubeka noma angichubeki. Kukuwe futhi ukuthi uyahamba ukhuluma ngaye kubamvu. And mina ngingiziki lokhu sengidecide ukuthi kuwe angikutshele ukuthi yeyi ngiphila ne-HIV. Kumele ngikuface lokho leti ngcinamba letawuba khona ukuthi noma banele sothi hamba nemajida, hey lo cherry loya, hey ngiyamfuna, asibanele hawu hamba ngena at your own risk. Ngaliphi hayi because uphila ne-HIV. So mina timbo lekufuna ukuthi ngiface leto like ngishido ukuthi stigma solo sesekhona and sibanga vele ngilo ukuthi naku sengidisclosile. So uyagijima wena so uhambe utshela bami ukuthi ngakala lapho ukuthi kube nale empowerment. Kuwe wena lengidakutshela noma usangisoma ukuthi yey ngiphila ne-HIV ube well empowered. But vele asesekhona naligama lengathanda ukusebenzisa but asesekhona labo bhuti vele especially labo bhuti laba macaba bengidathi na ngithi yey ngiphila ne-HIV uthi hawu uvela ubaleke kanti phela uma umfuna saphila ne-HIV that doesn't mean ukuthi it's a life sentence. But then umuntu lophila ne-HIV umthatha njengawo wonke umuntu lophilako because most of people living with HIV now seba suppressed. Sekulukhuni lesinye isikhathi to transmit le HIV as long as this person or this young person is taking medication right way, right time, consistently.
But what when as a young person, how did you take it? Because ngiyakhuluma nje umziki uthi hayi vele kuba ne-HIV vele uyaflowa, you are glowing. Ngosichazele ukuthi the day you discover maybe litfolakala kanjani, walitfola kanjani if you don't mind. Iyabona ngizama ngisho ukuthi maybe from the day you discover, how did you take it and everything. Then nesithuma umbuto ukuthi ingesikubuta imbuto engithi ngiyade understand sesime ngaleli phepha la. Wesithu uthi ke u-affecte njani umjolo wakho, mjolo wise. So ngisotshele ngaphi babaleka bathi hayi ngisabuyi or uhambe njani. So the first question is walitfola njani igciwane, wareceive njani and how, yeah, then the next one mjolo wise hamba njani.
Yabona. Okay, but tomele ngiphendule because vele I'm here to help lo munye young person lo out there. Mine we know ukuthi HIV ithola in different ways. Most of our peers ukhanda ukuthi badala nayo, but for me I was not born with HIV. It's a long story nyana.
Shobile.
Yeah, akusiko ukuthi bengigijima but then mine i-HIV ngititholele mine sengumdzala and sengicedzile nesikole. I discovered 2016 ngathi mangisuka nangicedza isikole ngahamba ngayohlala eJozi. Okay, ngadidwa ke eJohannesburg. Yeah, ngafike ngadidwa eJohannesburg. Bengisolo ngibeloku ngitesta ngichecka while ngisesengala. So vele I got it nangiseJozi. And then there was a time whereby kwabita ukuthi I have to come back ekhaya because vele eJozi bese lingidide kakhulu bathi hayi buya ekhaya wena dasibangela thinking. That is why bengigula but not ukuthi bengigula ukuthi ku serious bese kuqalela ukuthi before ulashwa you have to test, you know, your HIV status. So that is where mangithi ngiyafika bangitesta ukuthi you are HIV positive. And then that moment you have to take the medication leso sikhathi. Not ukuthi nyalo la clinic, but you are given everything, uthathwa nemasotsha ingadi ukuthi vele you have to take the medication. Angizange-ke mina ngayithatha nje leso sikhathi ngifike ekhaya ngayifihla. And then mangifihla ngangasho lutho nasekhaya ukuthi ngithestile. And ngeva ngazi ukuthi nekuba la khaya hayi angikhanuki, angiva nje ngazi ukuthi ngifuna kuba ngedwana. So I had to go ngiye kamamkhulu ngivakashele khona. Still i-medication ngiyifihlile. Mind you lapho-ke ifamily yami ba well capacitated ngezinto zabo HIV. I didn't know until ngigcine ngibatshela ngidisclose kibo status sami. But bengiba nalokusaba ukuthi batangibuta bangijaje ukuthi wena i-HIV uyithole kanjani, because kunanatimfo futhi ukuthi kuyajajwa ukuthi even na community mhlambe sebayadi ukuthi umfana lapha is living with HIV. So kwachubeka, I think kwaba inyanga so ngawanathi emaphilisi, and then lapho-ke ngacala ngabona ngazi ukuthi sengiyehle emtimbeni. So kwabita-ke ukuthi-ke sale-ke lapho-ke sengitshela umntali. And worse, esibhedlela nabakuvulela lifayela kuyabhaliswa lapha your treatment support. Lokunye lokwangenda vele ngagcina sengumtshela umntali ukuthi hey lana kukaso, because kunema-contacts akhe and everything. So ngathi nangumtshela-ke, then they tried to give me counseling, bang-refer to other people laba tanginiketa lusito, banginiketa advice. That's where I started to take my medication, but it wasn't easy because kuvuka every day taking medication, kungasiko buhlungu zawo, and knowing ukuthi this is a lifetime drug that you're supposed to take. It's not easy for you as a young person, but you have to do it for the sake of your health.
Nice, siyabonga. Thank you so much. Mjolo. Affecte kanjani Mjolo? Uyibeke yacaca. So Safez fanele abuye, by the way, atothathe podcast yonke because lesikhathi asikho enough. I hope uyabona. Asikho enough lesikhathi lesi. So it's something that has to happen more often. Ukuthi nihle nizivakashela le podcast, because a lot of emaswati hayi nabantu balangangwane kuphela, they getting education, and ukuthi sibe nabo sisilafana bonziki laba share knowledge lena freely. Yabo sine gasita yabo ngivile ukukhuluma ngeweight angathi noma mina ukuthi ngadala fanele ish, but ngicheckile mina not so long ago. So Mjolo, how is it affected? Because ngibuta lama questions because the youth nemjolo kehambelana.
Yo, yabona le Mjolo, okay. Some of my peers atongifakazela mhlambe kuloko, and labanye bema peers ethu asakwenda namanje. For me, because isikhuluma ngami ngaqale ngafihla then ke ku the one bese ngijola naye ngafihla ukuthi ngiphila ne-HIV, and vele uyabo bosoqalile vele nekulala lapho bosoqalile nekulala, and yabo young people, when it comes to condom usage badedela emuva labanye laba kusabako young people, especially the girls saba kuba pregnant, and then things about HIV uva ngazi ukuthi wena if utawuthi wasebenzisa condom to prevent ama-STIs and HIV uva ngazi ukuthi hayi go out. And then kwafika isikhathi lapho khona kufuna lo mlisa umvakashele and i-medication yakho kufuna uhambe nayo, angibese ngiqalile vele ngithatha kumele uhambe nayo, and wabita ukuthi ngiyifihle na uyinatha uyifihla. Nineke bobhuti nesitayela sekuthi sengiphumile, so search my bag. That's where athola i-medication, wangibuta ukuthi it's for what, ngamtshela wavele kwafika isikhathi sekuthi ngijike singakafiki lesi lebesivumelene ngaso. I understand kwaba nezizathu ukuthi I have to go to Warawara, so you have to go. And then nangifika ngiyashaya phela ukuthi ngihambe njani, And mina I'm expecting him to do that ukuthi uhambe kanjani since bengivakashele yena angabambi. Ngafona angabambi. I had to send a message. Why return a message wathi ngisese-busy, I'll get back to you. Until that day, he never get back to me. Till today kahle kahle. So siyabona sibafana basithanza bayuke futhi, I understand. Ngahlala lapho-ke solo bayakusoma, right? Lona sokurejectile but ubane ukuthi mhlambe kukhona le hope yokuthi maybe angahle abuye. Ngathola another one. Ngathi nginte njani ngidisclose, hayi, what if naye sekabaleka? Nga-repeated the same that I did kulona. Lona-ke wangithola nje eklinikhi nje sakhanzana vele e-pharmacy collecting my meds. Naye wasenda ama-messages, ama-insults and everything. Failing to understand ukuthi it is not easy. Angeke sisho ukuthi hey sikujaje ukuthi hey sheshe ukhulume bayahlukana bamfu ukuthi lona ukanjani letinye timbuti thatha kanjani. But then naye wasinaka discover ngicabanga ngathi ba like okay bengisata kutshela because kwethu bekusese early wathi when kube angadiscover manje bongeke uze ungitshele ngathi bengidakutshela. So it takes time sometimes to disclose our status. And it's a good disclosure your status. It's a decision. And then and so yeah, kwachubeka ke, and then ngisajola ke I met someone, yeah, his soulmate kahle kahle, yeah. I met his soulmate ngathi because nyalo bese empowered, resilient futhi ngaba like okay phela ku keep on jumping uchinja imjolo because sekuclear ukuthi hayi bobhuti no vele indzaba yethu abayiva. So this one wafika wang approach, and then lapho ke I had the feeling mhlawumbe ukuthi I know his soulmate, and then I had to disclose my HIV status. And then ngamtshela sangisoma how sachubeka then 2 days sikhuluma vele but ngisengavuma phela liviki isho kuthiwa thuka umfane bamfu ukuthi hayi bo ngathi kanti mina umjolo khambani yabo kwentekalani hayi ngabinza. And then ngagcina mina sekungimi lapho ngenyalo sengiyambuta ukuthi phela khambani because solo you still need my response or what, but I will get back to you ngathi shothi umfane bamfu ngonile disclose until ngithole i-call acele i-meetup in town. Fortunately enough vele based emanzini cela i-meetup and we have to talk about this. So I like yeah bengithukile but I'm glad ukuthi you came clean waba open to me. I accept you as you are. Yeah. So until I met my guy. Yeah, my guy. Ngamita my guy wang accepta the way I am. Sachubeka ke sajola until bathatha further steps savumelana ukuthi now I want to make you the love of my life. And nami ngabe sesengithi yes. Nami ngavuma ngathi yes. That is why today, yeah, I'm still a young person, young married person, openly living with HIV, resilient and empowered.
Yo, I know. Okay. Okay, manginembuto wakho.
Manje bo at that time bo wathi ukuthi 8 years later you'll be here.
No, bengadi because bese ngiluze ihope because of the rejections I used to face ku the other guys. But ngaphindze ngaba nekuthi bebangadalelwa mina. No.
Oh, bese yakona lo ubutela ukuthi yena shothi bothi not so discovered so in 8 years utabe unlikely situation like you noma in literal sense ukuthi ngabe sekafile. Oh,
Anti back then besettle information yokuthi ke you can live so much years
Yeah.
with the disease yabo. So bengibutela in that perspective.
Mina ngaba naloko ukuthi nje it's fine, ngidawuphila, ngidawubona khona ukuthi impilo yenta kanjani. Nase kufike ilanga lami lekuthi ngiyashona, it's okay. But kusaba bekubakhona.
Okay, Nzigi, I have two more questions for you. These are probably the last questions.
Okay.
And congratulations on a love of my life.
Umyeni wami.
Yeah, so my programs lana la supporta youth akhona yini yabo, and nabakhona singaba njani access to wona such programs ukuthi for the youth laphila naleli gciwane. So and the last one, i-advice nje lo tayiniketa umuntu ukuthi bumcoka maybe bekuthi I disclose le HIV status yakhe. So the first one ngeke ukuthi lama programs la supporta le youth ngabe kona akhona yini nakakhona singajoyina kanjani?
Yeah, ngiyabonga umbuzo wakho Banele. We do have programs that support young people living with the HIV, especially kuma communities. Sina programs that atholakala under Eswatini. It's Eswatini AIDS Support Organization. Lekung IASO lapho khona banema support groups. They established these support groups for young people. Le wabitwa ngathi ma safe space. Siphinde sibe na Eswatini Positive Women Together. Nalapho khona si establisha support groups for young people living with HIV. That's khona kusherelana khona lwati with our peers. Nekwekuthi wena naku so utholile ukuthi u-HIV positive ukhona njani ukutemukela nempilo ichubeke ihambe kahle uphile njengawo wonke umuntu, because kuba ne-HIV akusho nalokho ukuthi wena awusafani nawo wonke umuntu, still ungumuntu lokuhlukile nje ukuthi you have to take i-medication every day. But then lawo ma-programs langakho-ke mawufuna kwati ngawo kabanti khona like the Sengwashito Eswatini AIDS Support Organization, IASO, tholakala kaManzini, then Sengu Eswatini Positive Women Together. Vele agcile kakhulu with lama support groups for the young people. La khona uthola lwati about indzaba HIV la singachoshisana khona. And then i-advice lengayiniketa umuntu lomusha out there living with HIV in terms of disclosure. First, you have to know ukuthi kudisclosure noma kubhoboka ngesimo sakho sekuphila ne-HIV. Akusiyo i-must, i-choice, but at the end of the day, it's something that you need to do for wena kuze utoba even a peace, because akukuniketi ikuthula sometimes ukuthi you are dating this person or your partner, but ufihlile nge-status sakho, but asikusoli because nganatimfo tabo rejection nabo stigma letikhona. But advice lekhona ukuthi the earlier the better. Kuba kuwena khona ukuthi umtshele lo muntu wakho ukuthi sekubuye ke na ukuthi ukuthatha kanjani, uyakumukela or not. But the moment futhi so uva ngazi ukuthi wena I want to disclose my HIV status so right, you have to do it.
No, siyabonga sisizingo sami. Sekuphelile kona, but bengibuta ukuthi wena ngivile as an individual usho ukuthi uyaba cancela nebantu. Angathi nangabe ku right ukuthi usho indlela nawe bantu personal ngoba nginemfu mhlambe lo ngafuna nje ukudonsa ngelicingo. I don't know if it's allowed. So bese ntambi khona umguide ke maybe in sort of counseling njengoba kwa mention. Kusikhona yini la bangakuthinza khona wena lokho sothi ibalile ngithi indlela bangathatha.
Yes, ngihlala ngi-available because vele labanye they do reach out to me. Inombolo yami yelicingo MTN, it's 76813107. Then Swazi Mobile, it's 79052143. Then ku Facebook Nzigi Mpumi Shabangu Sithole. Nzigi Mpumi Shabangu Sithole, and then ku Instagram Nzigi Shabangu.
Ay, ukuthi sitawuzama nalokufuna le link sibafakele la ngaphasi description. And ukahle ngaso-sheet ukuthi you are taken, so bayibone na everything.
Yeah.
Siyabonga no less khona.
Even through Safate, uyangithola even naka Safate. Then they will be able to contact me. Bakulinke nami.
Melvin Sabamugela, Safethu silethele wena namuhla. So ngiyabona lana ukuthi LGBTQI representative. Kusho ukuthi a whole community iphike wena ukuthi utobamela. So I'll let you start and usitshele ukuthi namuhla sibiza ngani.
Okay, thank you so much for the opportunity. Libito lami ngingitshepo Melvin Dlamini, ngisuka kaManzini. I'm here to talk about so many things. As sikhulumisa i-HIV, we need to talk about LGBTI community. We need to talk about MIQ populations as well. So ngidawucala ngi-unpack lokho ukuthi le alphabet isho ukuthini ya LGBTQI because asithi sonke lesinalo lwati lel adequate on the subject. So LGBTQIA+ is an acronym that stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, intersex, and asexual, plus uchubekisela lama alphabets because setiningi tintfo lesetingetekile over time. And then siphinde sikhulumise indzaba yama key populations. Key populations ke sithi bantfu labasezingeni lesetulu lekuthi batfole i-HIV. According to EMA standards, World Health Organization, EMA key populations are asihlanu umhlaba wonke jikelele. So we have transgender people, we have people who inject with drugs, we have MSM, which is short for men having sex with other men. We have people in closed settings, which is EMA prisoners. We also have we also have EMA sex workers, both male and female sex workers. So labantu laba sithi, they are key populations on the basis of them being at high risk, on the basis of mass sexual behaviors that they engage in, or behaviors they engage in which are which put them at higher risk than anyone else emhlabeni. So marginalized populations, which is inclusive of LGBTI people and key populations, banale challenge yokuthi abakhoni ku access ama services due to stigma and discrimination of identifying as LGBTI people and as well as being classified as ama key populations according to the World Health Organization standards. So I'm going to unpack lokuthi ke LGBTI usho ukuthini because I've just listed kwekuthi lama alphabet asho ukuthini, but we need to have a deeper understanding of the community. So ngidawucala ngikhulumisa indzaba yebulili ukuthi bulili buhlukene kangakhi. So when we talk of sex, we talk of siqu lesitfolakala emkhatsini wemathanga. Bulili ke buhlukene kathathu. Sikhuluma ngemuntu who's born male, someone who's born with a penis. We talk of someone who's born female, someone who's born with a vagina, and we talk of umuntu lo intersex. Lesithi ngeSiswati incukumbili, but ke leli gama lelo alisilo lelibehla kahle. So siyazama ukulibalekela lokulisebenzisa. Umuntu lo intersex nasimkhulumisa sisuke sikhulumisa kwekuthi ke lo muntu uthela tithelo letitfolakala emphini wesilisa nemuntu wesifazane ngasikhathi sinye. That is to say, in English, it is not clearly defined. This person has both sexual characteristics found in both male and female at the same time. So a person who's intersex may have clearly defined genitalia, but ukhanze ukuthi lengekhathi solo uthela titfo lebesikhathi kwekuthi titfolakale kulobulili lobu lobunye. I'll make an example. A person can have a clearly defined penis, but lengekhathi still unawo emacandza, which are the ovaries, which are found in women who are born as female. So, and ukhanze ukuthi lo muntu still goes on monthly periods, yet the penis is clearly defined and as well as lama testes akhona. So this person sits intersex because uthela kokubili the sexual characteristics which are found in both men and women. So when we then move on to gender sits again, it's a social construct of the different expectations that we have of lama sexes that I had highlighted pambilini. So I can loosely translate it and say gender ngiloko lesigadzile kulobulili lobahlukahlukene lengiceda kubhala. And then sikhulumise indzaba ye-gender identity. Gender identity speaks to how do you identify as a person? Lingekhatsi lakho likubikela likutshela ukuthi wena ungubani. Siyakubona mos. And gender identity si iba la engcondvweni. Uyakubona? Because it's an internal sense of feeling. And then we move on to talk of gender expression, which speaks to lingephandle lakho. Lingephandle lakho ke lifaka tintfo letiningi. Le ndlela lotiphatsa ngayo, kukhuluma kwakho, kuhamba kwakho, kugcoka kwakho. All of this speaks to gender expression. And then we also have, so I've talked of identity and expression and gender. We then move on to have a discussion on sexual orientation. So sexual orientation now then speaks to who are you attracted to. But before I get into explaining sexual orientation, I would like to talk about umuntu lo transgender umuntu lo kanjani. So umuntu lo transgender utalwa nebulili thide. Kepha kulo bulili latelwe nabo lingekhatsi lakhe limbikela lokuhlukile ngaye. Siyavana mos. So gender identity kuba mloko lokuthi the gender identity does not align with the sex assigned at birth. Yet a cisgender person is a person who is born with a certain sex and their gender identity aligns with their sex assigned at birth. Loosely translated, sithi lo bulili latelwe nabo umuntu uyahambisana nabo naga cisgender. In short, a cisgender person is a direct opposite of a transgender person. And then we have gender non-conforming, which speaks to umuntu who is outside of the binary boxes of identifying as either a man or a woman. This person does not identify as a man or a woman because nasikhulumisa gender sikhulumisa the sense of identifying as either a man or a woman. Kanti nasikhulumisa sex sikhulumisa kwekuthi sikhulumisa bo female, male and intersex. So it's important for us to be able to articulate these adjectives because at times as a country, when we talk of gender, sikhulumisa sex, kanti these are two different things. They are not the same. So nasikhulumisa gender, suke sikhulumisa kwekuthi you identify as a man or as a woman. Kanti ke nasikhulumisa sex, sikhulumisa lokuthi lesiqu lesitholakala emkhathini wemathanga siyini, right? Then I move on to talk of sexual orientation. Sexual orientation ke ihlukene ngetigaba letahlukahlukene. We have heterosexual, we have bisexual, we have homosexual, which lists gay and lesbian as well. So umuntu lo heterosexual is a person attracted to the opposite gender, while bisexual speaks to being attracted to both genders. Kuba bisexual gay does not necessarily mean kwekuthi you are attracted to both genders at the same time. It varies according to lo muntu kwekuthi yena how does this person personally want to engage in terms of dating. So umuntu lo gay sithi is a man attracted to another man, and then umuntu lo lesbian sithi it's a woman attracted to another woman, hence making it difficult for women to be gay and for men to be lesbians because these things if you are gay it means you are a man attracted to another man, and if you're a lesbian you are a woman attracted to another woman. So coming back to Emaki populations. So Emaki populations, they are at high risk, who engage in high risk behaviors that puts them as HIV. So all these people are at high risk kakhulu as the different populations, lama risky behaviors that they engage in make them vulnerable to getting HIV. And there's so much stigma and discrimination that these different populations face. I'll make an example of transgender people. One of the issues that affects transgender people in Eswatini is the issue yama gender markers, which is indzaba yokuthi madise wakho akhulumise lokunye, matise wakho welive akhulumise lokunye, kepha wena le ndlela lo diva udibona ngayo kungahambisani nalo matise welive. So lokhu kube sekudala tinkinga because nawuya emtholampilo kumgcokwa kwekuthi umvete lo matise kuze kuthi bakhone kukusita emtholampilo. So ukhanza kwekuthi kunaloko kwekuthi emtholampilo bakunikete lo sito lote ngalo sebanaka naindzaba yekwekuthi matise wakho welive so uteka tindzaba letihlukile kunale ndlela lo presenta ngayo wena as umuntu. For MSM, I'll talk on the issue kwekuthi some of these infections lababa nawo atfolakala in very awkward places and they're not able to have discussions with Lama healthcare practitioners because of how sensitive the issues are. And coming back to Lama attitudes that some healthcare practitioners have, angisho ukuthi bonke bakanjalo, but because a lot of strides have been made in terms of sensitizing healthcare workers and the different stakeholders ngekahlukahlukana kwawo. So
Yes,
we are
yes,
really
Melvin.
grateful.
Melvin man, so khuluma kakhulu sekunintaze bantu bakhohle sengithanga ukuphazamisa utodonsa umoya kancane. Yathi lana ngifise kubuta ukuthi ngetindlela tema methods. Into ekuqala nje ngifise kuyibuta hey uyakhuluma. Manje lokukhuluma kukuyela esikolweni noma tinto lo researchela wena.
No, akusithi for ngathini lengitshela esikolweni, it's a lived reality. So that's why I'm this much informed about it.
Okay.
Yes.
So identifying ukuthi usho ukuthi for example kunabantu abagay laba lesbian bisexual wena ufola kuphi? Transgender uthi
Yes. Umuntu lotalwa nebulili lokuthi but bulili bakhe ladelwe nabo akahambisani nabo.
Whoa.
Yes.
So umuntu okay ngidawubuya le question there. Bengifuna ukucala ngana lethi ngiyayibuta ngezingisi. Would you say that there are enough methods of HIV prevention efficient used by LGBTQI community? If not, what are some of the methods that you can recommend that you feel can be used in HIV prevention? I don't know if I'm valid.
Okay,
Noma
to
benza
answer
akho.
that question, I think kumqoka lokuthi highlight lokuthi yini ama methods lakhona eSwatini.
Yes, please.
So eSwatini lokukhona litiko letempilo liyakhuthata lokuthi sikhulumise indzaba ye combination prevention. Lokufaka ekhatsi kwekuthi nasibakhulumisa abantu asibakhulumise ngepackage le comprehensive kwekuthi nasikhuluma nje nge-HIV yini ema services latholakala ku under for kulwisa i-HIV, and then bantu bona batakhele tinqumo on the basis of the information they have received. So we have safe sex commodities lokufaka ekhatsi condoms and lubricants. So loku ke kuyahambisana because when you engage in safe sex kumqoka ukuthi sisebenzise i-condom consistently and correctly, but it's also important for us to use lubricants. Ma lubricants asebenda ke ukuthi athambise lapho khona kutaba khona i-penetration. So this not only is applicable to anal sex, but it also does speak to vaginal sex because cisgender women also do get dry when having sexual intercourse. So le lubricant ke iyafakwa khona lapha kule vagina kusebenzisa kwekuthi ithambise kungabi nale friction which would cause emathuba ekwekuthi umuntu abe at exposure ye-HIV. So in addition ke kunanali tools lokuthiwa yi-self-test kit. Ema-HIV self-test kits ke endelwe kwekuthi sikhone ku-screena ligciwane le-HIV kwekuthi umuntu unalo noma ude. But leli tools leli ke alisinikete i-result le-final kufanele athi umuntu nasekayitholele i-result ahambe aye emtholampilo ayokwenda naku lokuthiwa yi-confirmation test. whereby emtholampilo batawukhona lokugcizelela lokuthi vele le result loyitfolile kule screening tool lesithi le HIV self-test kit ibe liqiniso yini noma, because again a lot can happen in terms of affecting the result yale HIV self-test. And then we have the PrEP. PrEP ngathini? It's a method lekhona lekwekuthi sivikele bantfu laba HIV negative to retain their status of being HIV negative. So lithatheka ke ngetindlela letahlukahlukene. We have oral PrEP, we have event-driven PrEP. I mean, we have daily PrEP, we have event-driven PrEP, because oral PrEP is both interventions. Oral PrEP ukhulumisa, daily PrEP, sorry, ukhulumisa kwekuthi leli pilisi leli silinatha kuvikela i-HIV. Daily PrEP linathwa ke onke malanga njengoba lisho, kanti event-driven PrEP is very specific to the event that is going to happen. And event-driven PrEP is specifically for people assigned male at birth, who are not taking a hormone replacement therapy. And then we talk of PP, which is post-prophylaxis exposure. Logo ke ukuthatha after you have been exposed. In the event you have had unprotected sex, you have to rush to a medical facility within a period of 72 hours. Ulitfola leli pilisi leli, utawukhona kwekuthi uzame kunciphisa lamatfuba ekwekuthi nangabe you've been exposed, ukhone lokunciphisa lamatfuba ekuthi ube ne-HIV infection. Yes.
Oh, nah, ngiyabonga kakhulu Melvin. So, lenye umbuto bokhona la, ukuthi ama barriers laba khona when seeking healthcare, but I think uke wakumention. Yes, in terms of service delivery. But since lena uke wayimention, abengifuna ukubuta ukuthi kunema efforts lendiwe about LGBTQI community well plus ukuthi i-population yadi ngayo at large, and it's about the community with say embrace and stuff. So yini emagama encouragement lo ngaba nawo laba solo bangafuni labafisa ukuthola lusito in as far as their health is concerned, ukuthi ngenzaba ukuthi basaba ukuthi batawuba discriminated.
Tiningi tintfo letenta bantfu laba LGBTI nema key populations ukuthi bangakhoni accessa ema services, and one of them is a self-stigma. So it is key kwekuthi hamba uye emtholampilo kuqala and give it a shot lokuthi uyile emtholampilo wazama kuthola lesito, nedike kwaba ne-challenge kwekuthi bakubandlululile for being a member of being a part of the LGBTI community or being a key population. Then from there, we can then escalate the issue ngekuthi ke uvakashele, because kukhona organizations that are LGBT that are there to attend to EMA issues ebantfu laba LGBTI in country. So I think from there, sekungaba ke nekuxoxisana kwekuthi how best can we then address the issues after having tried and waba nema difficulties, because lo sinye isikhathi ukhanza kwekuthi lo munye umuntu is not accessing services because of a self-stigma.
No, ngenzaba isikhathi Melvin, ngenzaba phinze eksenda ngeprogram. Bengicela ukuthi of course njengoba ngishido kufanele this is something that we have to have a chat about more often, ukuthi kube indlela eqhubekayo uyabona, angabe ukuthi nyalo siyabonana nizivakashele phenza ngisabuyi, because kunebantu labataba nema questions especially on the comment section lokufanele ukuthi uphinde ubuye utowa phendula uba address and all of that. So bese nyalo bese ngicela in terms of i-reach ne accessibility yakhona ngabe nakhona njengoba ngishito ukuthi kusisinzile ukuthi nangabe kuyavumeleka ukuthi especially for bantu laba part of the LGBTQI community mhlambe bayesaba they fear in terms of consultation and all of that ukuthi bangabese ngitiphi indlela la bangathatha ukuthola usizo including nangabe nawe ukhona.
Okay, Nikona, I can give my MTN number, which is 76197760, for people to reach out. I can then, after having the conversation, then reach out. See where does the conversation lead and how best can we offer Lucito to the person making the request.
Sihlala
Sitivikela.
ngoba kithi
Leyo indlela yokukhombisa luthando nenhlonipho.
siyatata itimo
Tetfu tengadi.
leso
Sivumelwano setfu.
kithi akusiko nje
Ngekucethelelana tinkhulumo kuphela.
kungekwehlula
I-HIV ngekwenta luthando lwetfu luphephe.
luthando loluphephile ulethulelwa baka Safades babambisene na AHF.